Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified Solidworks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass Solidworks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to show how to filter surface by using for patch boundaries existing edge. So we can also combine for patch boundaries edge and curves. It doesn't have to be only edges or only curves. So here we want to create a surface. So let's go to surfaces and fill surface. Now we want to select this edge and those three curves. Let's choose this. But now if you look better, this is not an edge, this is sketch. So we have to cancel and go back. Let's click on this sketch. Let's hide it. And now we have an edge. Now let's go again to fill surface. Now we can choose edge. We can choose here our curve, and this curve. And now here under curvature control we have contact. And we have a contact for all our patch boundaries. And now for sketches, if we want to change curvature control, for example, to tangent, this is not possible. Or if we want to change to curvature, this is not possible. Because tangent control and curvature control, you can only use when you have existing surface. For example, for this edge. For curves, you can only use contact. So here, we can choose curvature. This is possible. So now first, let's go with contact. And you can go apply to all edges, if you want. Like this, and OK. And now we got this surface. If you want to see how smooth this surface is, we can go to evaluate and curvature. And now we can see our surface here. And this is not so bad. But now, for example, if we want to use curvature to get a better transition, we can uncheck this. Let's go to surface again, edit. And let's go to edge. And first, let's uncheck apply to all edges. And now let's go to edge 1 and let's choose curvature. And now if we look for the sketches, we have contact. Let's click OK. And let's go to curvature. If you look here, we see this is not maybe what we're looking for, as well here on this side. And why is that? Because when we choose curvature, we should get a better result than with a contact. Now why we got a worse results? This is because here, between this curve and this curve, we have coincident relation. As well here, between this curve and this curve, we have coincident relation. And this is not good. We want to have a curvature relation. So in that case, let's uncheck this. Let's open those. Make sure you have opened this. And now let's hide our surfaces. Like this. Let's show those two sketches like this. And now let's go to 3D sketch, edit. And now if we click here, we see that we have coincident relation between this curvature and this curvature. And we want curvature relation. So let's click here, hold Ctrl and click on this one. And now let's go to equal curvature like this and OK. As well here, we have coincident. Let's click on this one, hold Ctrl this one, and let's go to equal curvature, like this, and OK. Now we have some deformation here with this curve. Now as you see, we can maybe adjust a little bit like this, but let's leave it. Let's see what we're gonna get. Let's click OK, and let's go out. Like this. And now let's show our surfaces, this one and this one, like this. And now let's go to evaluate and curvature. And now if we look our transition, don't look this one. This is because our deflection here that we have created with this curve. But now we're looking here at the transition. Now we see this is better, much better here, and here it's also better. So sometimes when you have a problem with curvature, you have to check the relation between curves. Always make sure that you have curvature relation. If you're tired of watching YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the Solidworks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super Solidworks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.